there? Struggling to sync your Google Calendar with your iPhone? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here is a simple guide on how to sync all your Google appointments with your Apple Calendar. Let's dive in. First up, make sure you've enabled your iCloud account. Solution 1. Sync iCloud with the Calendar app. Start by opening your settings. Then, tap on your Apple ID at the top. Scroll down a bit. Tap on iCloud. Next, tap See All right next to Save to iCloud. Locate the Calendar app in the list. Make sure the toggle is turned on. If it's already on, try turning it off and then back on. Solution 2. Enable calendar settings from your Google account. Open your settings again. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. Tap on Apps. Then tap Search at the top. Next, type in Calendar. Find the Calendar app in the search results. Tap on Calendar account. Look for the Google account and open it. Make sure your Google account is added. Ensure that the toggle for the Calendar app is on. If it's already on, turn it off. Tap Delete from my iPhone. After that, turn it back on. Go back to the previous menu. Scroll down and tap on Sync. Select all events. And that's it. You've successfully synced your iPhone calendar with your Google Calendar. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, just drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in.